Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term FSS. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, FSS is an acronym used in texting and online chats that often expresses strong emphasis or frustration. People use it when they want to show emotion in a quick, punchy way. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. FSS first showed up in the early 2000s internet culture. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger internet users and text messengers. Now let's check out how to use FSS in a sentence. Correct example 1. I just finished my homework. FSS, that was tough. Correct example 2. FSS, I can't believe how cold it is today. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said FSS at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using FSS right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. FSS means an emphatic acronym often expressing frustration or intensity. It started in early 2000s internet culture, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with FSS in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.